Night Ripper. This video game is a genuine first-generation copy produced on behalf of and with the approval of Vague Scenario LLC. What does that mean again? I know TM. I know Co. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey! Oh! Hey! Oh! Oh shit! Hey yo, Nick killed that shit. Ooh! Hey, there's that switch the color shit. Hey Rachel, is your boyfriend coming to pick you up? Actually, we broke up. How are you gonna get home? I'll just walk. Walk? The West Side Ripper is out there. He killed 3 girls last week. This week, fuck. Weren't they all prostitutes? Besides, I'll be fine. I don't live too far. You really need to move to a better neighborhood. Be careful out there. You worry about everything. I think he's just looking out for you, gang. I cannot read anything. Jesus Christ. Alright, laser disc is where it's at. Streets. Oh shit, she can jump. This is the fastest I can go. Oh, I'm actually, dang. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is where we want to be. Cops. The block is cornered off. There must have been another murder. I need to find a different way home. God, yo, this music. Yo, I'm about to get the fuck scared out of me, bro. I already know. Alright, we finally got out of there, bro. I was stuck in there for like 10 minutes. Oh, is that him? Or is that just a car? Fuck. Okay. So it's starting? I don't really know what's going on. Alright, it's clear we just gotta look around and look for whatever the objective is. I should have hit that right. Oh my god. Yo, he's hitting them sharp ass turns. Where am I going? What am I looking for right now? Oh shit. Yo, y'all think he sees me? Like, y'all think he sees me with the headlights down there? If he hits that left, I'm right. Alright, nah, he blind as shit. Oh, this one, this might be the one. Yep, I think so. Oh, yo. Fuck down, now she's running. Where was his speed at before? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Where's he at? Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't turn. That fucks your speed up. Is he chasing me forever? Bro, I'm a fast ass girl. Jesus Christ, bro. Yo, where? Yo, yeah, like real talk, real shit. Where am I going? Bro, I'm so lost. Oh my god, this big ass dead end. Now imagine if I was getting chased. I'm doing like the same path I did before. Just a radio. The DJ seems like a whack job. Okay. Do something else. Play something else on the radio. Alright, so this was pointless. Bet you ain't had to say nothing but a word.
Your ass!
Alright, we fumbled the other game, but we back on this one. The Drill Massacre. This video game is a genuine first-generation copy produced on behalf of and with the approval of Vague Scenario LLC. I still don't know what that is, so we'll find out in editing. Oh shit, retro intro? I've never seen this one before. Only the Night Ripper one. Oh. Alright, there was no B. Be right in here. Now, I know this game is like no fucking joke, so I might get a heart attack with this one actually. Like, this is already loud as shit. And I'm keeping it just like that. We going in. We going in, headphones maxed. Stereo up, headphones on. I'm ready. Puppet Combo presents. Presents what? I mean, the scenery is beautiful. Am I supposed to press something? Yeah, alright, when you play Puppet Combo games for the first time, you start. Oh shit. Yo! Oh, hold on. Wait, this is how we're starting off? What? Jeff! What do I press? Oh, enter. Are you okay? Oh, wait, no. Megan's okay. Are you okay? Ugh, I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll go get help. Alright. Oh, there's me. That's me. This is the worst headache ever. This is the worst headache ever. Bitch, get some ibuprofen then. Oh, goodness. Oh, God. Oh, fuck, yo. Yo. Oh, okay, that's dope. That's dope. Oh, this is how the movement works? I'm about to fucking die. Oh, God, don't fall off. Jesus. There's a old shack. Can I go in? Nope. About the side, there's like a side door. Or not. I was wrong. Oh. Alright, that should be your first sign. To just go back to the car. Just me, or is it getting like darker? I can't really tell. Oh, we gotta get up there. I think we're making progress. We're going up a lot here. Oh, fuck, yo, bro. Oh my God. Oh shit. Yo. Who is that? Yo, help. And alright, he's gone. The exact minute I looked away. Alright, guess we following him. Oh God. Go in. Enter. E. R. X. C. Click. How do you... Oh. Hit space. Oh, oh my God. Bro, this is the game? Are you serious? Bro, this is dark as shit. Might have to up this brightness in editing, bro. Can I change how it looks real quick? Okay, there we go. That's much better. Nope. Looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it. The search continues for two missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Laurie Summers of Long Island, New York have been missing since June 8th. Damn. Their campsite and belongings have been located, but investigators have few leads. Police say there are no visible signs of a struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The rest is missing. Damn, 5 years ago. Yeah, they gone, buddy. You ain't finding nobody. I'm over here talking big as shit. I don't know if he's like, just like right when you walk in, the game starts. But I feel like I'm about to find out the hard way. Is it like another case of just finding the objective? And you go from there? Wait, what did I say? Sugar tunnel. Yeah, I'm glad I came out to read that. I don't want to go back in there. Bro, my heart is fucking beating. Y'all know Puppet Combo. Y'all know Power Drill Massacre is their most menace game. And we gotta go in here.
Oh, hell no!
Nope. I changed my mind. I'm not going down there. You got me fucked up all the way. Yo, I am fucking terrified right now. Is he already here? What the fuck? Alright, restart. Oh. Oh my god. Yo, you heard his footsteps rushing at me, bro. No fuck way. And people say Nun Massacre is worse than this? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Bitch, was that the killer? Why am I following this mother? Why am I following him? That shit looks like it can open. Fuck that. I think I just gotta go right back to the sugar tunnel. I think that's like where the game starts. Upstairs? Oh. Oh, item. Item. Looks like a key. Pick it up. Yes. Oh, God. Yo, that scared the shit out of me, bro. Why? Another newspaper article. Read it. Pocono vanishings. No trace of the missing campers. Since 1978, 12 campers have disappeared over a 100-mile stretch of the Pocono Mountains. We conduct dozens of rescue missions each year, says Park Ranger Charlie Plank. People come up here to camp and hike all the time without any experience. Accidents happen while most rescues are successful. These 12 have stumped park rangers and local police. Campfires left burning, boots and jackets left behind, radio still playing. It's like these people were ripped away from their campsites. I can't read anymore. The ink has faded. Good, because I'm getting chills, and that's giving me more chills. Like, I've just had chills since I walked in this bitch and died, and I'm still here, and I still have chills. Like, bro, I'm scared now. Is he out? Or is it only that fucking sugar tunnel shit? Wait, no, this is where I was before. Wasn't it? I think it was. This is where I was before he popped out and killed my ass, so pay attention this time. Listen for that sound you heard right here. I heard that shit like right here. Oh wait, no, I'm tripping. Sugar tunnel. This is where shit popped off. Shit popped off right down this hallway. You heard his footsteps. Like right here. I gotta walk slow. I gotta walk slow. You're telling me this bitch can just like pop out of the corner and kill my ass? This empty ass space. He definitely hears those loud ass footsteps. Walk on your heels or something, bro. Walk on your tippy toe. Yo, he's gonna scare the fuck out of me. What? Alright. Alright, so I just accidentally went all the way back to the entrance. Didn't even notice. It's like, bro, it's so quiet though. He killed me here before. Where is he at this time? I feel like I'm just lost too. You're telling me I gotta go down that walkway? Like down those stairs? Those my footsteps? Okay, those are my... Oh my god, bro, my heart started beating. Oh, here we go. Alright, I found the stairs. Yo, what? Yo, this game? Who did they make this for? I'm giving this shit one more go, cause like once he sees you, you're just dead. But you're like the game's already dark enough, right? But then your screen starts flashing. Every time it hits you, it flashes red. This is just, if you're caught, you just die. You really expect me to navigate while he's screaming in my face like that? Like, bro, I can't run away with him chasing me like that. Y'all heard that music? Like, I know y'all hear that music too. I'm giving this shit one more go. And I'm back at the beginning again. Okay. You don't chase me here, right? That he doesn't go through other areas. What the fuck is this place? Y'all hear that music? Exactly. Oh. Fuck. Bro, there's tears in my eyes. No fucking way he's down here. I'll definitely know. I'll hear that bitch's footsteps. Mine are already loud as shit. It goes deeper? There's two. Oh, it's just dead ends. Who built this and why? Oh god. Oh god. What was that? What the fuck was that? What was that? What was that? Is that a door? Anybody in here now? Leave! Just get out. Just get out. I don't think there's anything for me down there. Probably just a death trap. It has to be my running. My running is definitely letting them know where I am. I don't like horror games, bro. I'm back at the beginning again! Where is the sugar tunnel? Here we go. Oh god, where? 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 I hear him, I hear him, I hear him. He's behind me. What? Camera, what? Camera, camera, camera! I can't, just kill me. Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming, bro? Yeah, GG.
Balanced, perfectly balanced, absolutely symmetrical. It's just,
Yeah.